bus hadn't come. The bus rolled up with a thud. Jess and Butter jumped in. Yeah!